What's up? It's Susie from Hey Grill Hey, and I'm all about making delicious, easy things in your backyard, on your cookers. Today we are doing some smoked lamb chops. And I know you've seen rib chops, but these are meaty morsels, lamb loin chops with a gorgeous rosemary, garlicky red wine marinade. So let's do it. Step one is choosing the right lamb. Now, this works, this marinade, this cooking style, it works on all cuts of lamb. So if you have shoulder chops, it'll work great. If you have rib chops, it will work great. But these little loin chops are some of my favorite cuts of lamb. They're so tender, they're so flavorful, and lamb tends to be a little bit smaller in portion size. These are really hearty, so you can get a lot of meat off of each individual portion. Another great thing about these, they may look familiar. This is the same cut that you would see if you were getting a porterhouse steak. So we've got the strip steak on one side, the filet on the other, so it's really beautiful, rich meat, very tender, very flavorful, and they're pretty easy to find nowadays. I actually picked these up at Costco, but if you have a favorite lamb purveyor, they can cut these for you as well. Now that you've got your lamb, let's make our marinade. Like I said in the intro, we've got rosemary, red wine, garlic, all of the delicious things. So we're gonna start with a hearty base of some good olive oil. This is red wine vinegar. You can also add, I like the acidity of the red wine vinegar, but you can add a splash of real red wine there as well if you want that depth and richness. Some fresh chopped rosemary, lots of minced garlic. I use 3 or 4 cloves, but you can honestly go nuts. If you want more, use more. A couple tablespoons of honey, just for sweetness and to balance out that red wine vinegar. It'll also help with the browning and caramelization on the outside of the pork chops while they're on the smoker. We're also gonna throw in some kosher salt, some black pepper, and that's it for our marinade. It comes together so fast. Mix it until that honey's dissolved. If you wanted to add a little spice to this marinade, you could add in some crushed red pepper flakes as well. Marinade looks great. Lamb chops are going in. I like to let these marinate for at least 8 hours, so you can put them in the morning and then cook them that evening for dinner. Or if you want to give them a little longer in the marinade, you can put them in the night before and let them go for almost 24 hours. I like to marinate in a zip top bag because it allows me to fully coat the chops in the marinade and kind of keep them submerged when they're in the fridge. But you do have to be careful. These loin chops have bones in them and the edges can be a little bit sharp. You don't want to poke a hole in your plastic bag. So toss your chops to coat, but be gentle. These are ready to go into the refrigerator. Our beautiful lamb loin chops are marinated. These are going on my kettle today. I'm gonna be cooking them indirect, so these are going on the opposite side of the grill as the coals. I'm gonna be using pecan wood chunks for my smoke, but you can use multiple types of wood for these lamb chops. Fruit woods are really delicious, or nut woods like pecan are great. As long as you've got a nice even heat. I like to keep my smoker running at about 250 degrees. You can do these on a pellet smoker, you could do these on an offset smoker. You could cook them on pretty much anything that you can hold at about 250 degrees and get a nice smoky wood flavor. Now, these usually cook for about 45 minutes to an hour. I like my lamb to hit about medium rare, so I'll pull these off around 135 degrees. I usually flip them once during the cooking process, so I'll come back at 20 minutes, give them a flip, let them cook until they are finished. My beautiful lamb loin chops are all clocking 134, 135, perfectly at temperature. So these are ready to pile up and eat. They're so beautiful. These smell so fantastic. One of the reasons that I love this marinade is that the marinade itself has texture. So we were getting these chunks of garlic and rosemary. They look so beautiful. This is like fancy dinner food, but it wasn't fancy dinner hard. But you don't have to tell anybody that. They'll just think you did, hard fancy dinner work, but you didn't. Perfectly pink on the inside. We've got a nice light pink smoke ring on the outside. I'm so excited. I love lamb. Seriously, I'm so happy with the cook on this. They're so tender, So juicy, so flavorful. The lamb itself is a little bit sweet, plus the honey in that marinade just gives you a really beautiful flavor profile that matches so gorgeously with that sharp garlic and rosemary. This is a winner for anybody that is a fan of lamb, and it might convert people who think they aren't. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you do, head to my website, leave a review, let me know how it worked out for you, and I'll see you next time.